Welcome to Big Data Now. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, AI agents. Artificial intelligence is evolving rapidly, and AI agents are at the heart of automation, decision-making, and intelligent systems. But what exactly is an AI agent? Simply put, an AI agent is a system that perceives its environment, makes decisions, and takes actions to achieve specific goals. These agents power everything from chatbots and virtual assistants to autonomous robots and self-learning AI systems. In this video, we'll cover what AI agents are and how they work, types of AI agents and what they can do, how to build your own AI agent, how AI agents are used in real-world applications. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of AI agents and how they can be leveraged in different industries. Let's get started. Part 1. What are AI agents? AI agents are intelligent systems that interact with their environment, process information, and make decisions. They follow a cycle. Perception. They gather data from sensors, APIs, or databases. Processing. They analyze the data using rules, machine learning, or logic models. Decision-making. They determine the best course of action. Action. They execute a task based on their decision. An AI agent can be as simple as a chatbot responding to customer queries, or as complex as an autonomous vehicle navigating a busy city. Part 2. Types of AI agents. AI agents come in different types, each with different levels of intelligence and autonomy. 1. Reactive AI agents. These agents operate based on predefined rules and do not learn from past experiences. Example, chess-playing AI like Deep Blue, which follows set strategies but cannot improve over time. 2. Limited memory AI agents. These agents learn from historical data to improve decision-making. Example, self-driving cars that use past driving experiences to make better choices. 3. Theory of mind AI agents. More advanced agents that can understand emotions and human behavior to adapt their responses. Example, AI-powered customer service assistants that detect frustration and adjust tone. 4. Fully autonomous AI agents. These agents function independently, make complex decisions, and self-improve over time. Example, AI-powered stock trading systems that adapt strategies based on market conditions. Each type of AI agent is used in different industries to solve specific problems. The more advanced the agent, the more capable it is in handling dynamic and uncertain environments. Part 3. How to build an AI agent. Now that we know what AI agents are, let's talk about how to build one. The process of building an AI agent depends on what the agent needs to do. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Define the problem and goals. Clearly outline what your AI agent should do. Example, a chatbot that answers customer support questions. Step 2. Choose the right data sources agents need input from sensors, APIs, or databases. Example, a weather forecasting agent needs data from weather stations and satellite feeds. Step 3. Select the AI model. Use machine learning if the agent needs to learn from data. Use rule-based logic for simple decision-making. Use reinforcement learning for autonomous, self-improving agents. Step 4. Build the AI agent's core logic. If using machine learning, train the model on labeled data. If building a chatbot, use natural language processing, NLP, to interpret and respond to user input. If creating a robotic AI agent, program it with motion and decision-making logic. Step 5. Implement decision-making capabilities. AI agents use if-then logic, probabilistic models, or deep learning to make decisions. Example, a fraud detection AI analyzing transaction data to flag suspicious behavior. Step 6. Deploy the AI agent. Agents can be deployed on a cloud platform, embedded in a device, or run as an API service. Example, virtual assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant run on cloud servers, but interact with users through voice commands. Step 7. Monitor and improve AI agents need continuous improvement through feedback loops. Retrain the model as new data becomes available to increase accuracy and efficiency. By following these steps, you can create an AI agent that automates tasks, learns over time, and makes intelligent decisions. Part 4. How AI agents are used in the real world. AI agents are already changing the way we work and live. Let's look at some of the most common real-world applications. 1. Virtual assistants and chatbots. AI agents like Siri, Google Assistant, and ChatGPT process language, understand commands, and respond intelligently. Customer service chatbots help businesses automate support and reduce response times. 2. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars use AI agents to analyze traffic, detect obstacles, and navigate roads. These agents use machine vision and reinforcement learning to improve over time. 3. Finance and trading AI agents in stock markets analyze patterns, predict trends, and execute trades automatically. They make split-second decisions based on historical market data and real-time events. 4. Healthcare AI assistants, AI agents, help doctors diagnose diseases, suggest treatments, and analyze medical images. They use deep learning and NLP to scan vast amounts of medical literature and patient records. 5. Robotics and automation, AI-powered robots, are used in manufacturing, agriculture, and warehouse operations. These agents adapt to changing environments, optimizing tasks like picking and packing orders. 6. Cybersecurity AI agents. AI is used for threat detection, fraud prevention, and security monitoring. AI agents scan network traffic in real time, identifying and stopping cyber attacks before they happen. These examples show just how powerful AI agents have become. They're automating tasks, making businesses more efficient, and even helping save lives in healthcare. So what have we learned? AI agents are intelligent systems that perceive, decide, and act in a variety of environments. They range from simple rule-based bots to fully autonomous learning systems. We covered what AI agents are and how they work, different types of AI agents, from reactive to fully autonomous, how to build an AI agent step by step, how AI agents are transforming industries. AI agents are already shaping the future, and as they evolve, they will become an even bigger part of our daily lives. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Big Data Now for more insights on AI, machine learning, and automation. And let me know in the comments, what kind of AI agent would you build? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.